Well, hello again. I was just having a bit of a tune around on HF, and I thought I'd have a quick listen to see what the United States Air Force Global Communications Network was doing. And another weird noise. This has been continuous for about half an hour, I think. Yeah, it's rather peculiar. I don't think I've ever heard anything, not that I've listened to it a great deal, but I don't think I've heard anything on there that's been sort of continuous like this. There's generally not a continuous signal on there. I was surprised to hear that sort of data bursts or whatever it was on there the other day. I had a quick listen today, and yeah, there's this really weird noise. If I tune either side of it, you can hear the ident from the local repeater in the background. If I tune either side of it, it disappears. It's definitely a transmission on that frequency, some kind of data, I would imagine. But last time I said that I thought I'd watch the news because something interesting might be happening. That it was on the news the following day. There was that big push to take Mosul. So I'll have a look at the news again tomorrow and see what this is all about. But as I say, it's not something I've heard on there before. Again, I'm not a regular listener, so if people have heard that on there before, I suppose you could leave a comment saying I've heard that on there loads of times. It wouldn't really matter, would it? But I certainly haven't. But an interesting noise nevertheless. Well, I hope you found that interesting as always. Thanks for watching. And with any luck, I'll catch you next time.